Good morning students and welcome back to our online class once again. So today in the revision tour we'll be revising the topic encryption and decryption technique, and we'll also know that what is customized software and what are its advantages and disadvantages. So let us begin the video. What is customized software? Customized software is also known as a tailor-made software. You can understand like this, like a tailor stitches your clothes according to your measurement. So a tailor-made software is also made according to the user's requirements. These kind of softwares are actually developed to meet all the requirements specified by the user. So means that suppose I am a user, I am a human being who is going to use that software. So I am going to give my needs, my requirements to make that software, and that particular software will be developed according to my requirements, according to the requirement of my company or organization. For example, if a company wants to use a software for its accounts department, and it should be according to their needs. However, there are many software available in market. Maybe they do not fulfill my needs which are developed by the manufacturer for the use of the people working in the organization, but I want the software according to my need. So I'm going to go to a software developer and make my software, ask the developer to make the software according to the need of my company, according to my requirements. So those kind of softwares are called as customized software. They are also being referred as bespoke software. As the name, the word itself says, bespoke means whatever you speak, the software is made according to your language. So suppose I have said that these are my requirements, I am speaking. So it means if you have spoken, so that will be made by the tailor. Here is a developer, the software developer who is going to make the software, who is going to customize your software according to your requirements. I hope you have understood and clear about the customized software now. So let us look into some of the advantages and disadvantages of customized or bespoke software. So the first advantage of customized software is that the company will get the exact software, or the system will be exactly designed according to their need. So that will be acceptable by the company, that will be very useful for them because it will be according to their needs. So it will be easily understandable and usable by the users of the company who are working for that particular company. The second advantage is that the software will look exactly how they want it to work, which means as I have decided that how my software is going to work, whatever points I have given, whatever menus I have asked the software developer to design, so they have designed accordingly to me. So that will obviously exactly it will be working whatever I have suggested. It is not going, I don't have to learn something or get the training of a particular software because it is according to my requirements. So I have already said my requirements, it is according to my needs. So it will, the look will also be according to my need, and I will be able to work properly on it without anyone's help. The third advantage is that the software will only have the features that they specifically need in their business. It means that it is designed according to my business, so it will not be useful in someone else's business, and it will be more beneficial, and the features will be specifically fulfilling the need of my business. So that all are the advantages of customized software. Apart from this, there are some disadvantages also, because everything has their pros and cons. So if I have asked the software developer to customize my software, so obviously there are some plus point and minus point. So let us now look into some of the disadvantages. The first disadvantage is that it takes a long time to develop such a system, between a months to years. As we all know that the things which are ready to use, which are ready-made available in market, so that will be easily available. You can just purchase and start using it. However, if you have given someone the task to customize the things for you, so obviously it is going to take a time for developing it and fulfilling according to your need. The second disadvantage is it costs a great deal of money to develop such a system. However, as it is according to my requirement, so obviously I am going to give some of the features from some software and some from other software. So all those things are, when combined together, they are going to cost me more. So it is actually a costly deal when you try to customize your software. The third disadvantage is the company may need to employ a team of people such as business analysts, programmers, and testers. So suppose if you have given a company to develop a software, so obviously they need a number of people to develop that software. Someone is going to analyze your requirements, someone is going to do a coding and programming part, and the last one is the software testing module, where the software is being tested on a real time basis that it is gonna work according to the user requirement or not. So if more number of people are working there, so obviously it is going to cost more, and where there is a team, so it is going to take more time also. So all those things are linked together. Now the next disadvantage is there will be a little in a way of user support and online help. So if you want to get a user support and online help, you may not get every time, which is more efficient in case you purchase a software from the market which is already available, because they give 24/7 assistance to the user, because the software is being spread and being used all over the world by everyone. However, the software which is customized, it is only being used by you, so you may get lack of user support and the online help. The last disadvantage is that these cannot be directly installed at the user workplace, as the requirements may vary. So the requirement of a particular software may vary. What can be the requirement? To download any kind of software, to upload any kind of software into your computer system, you need a particular operating system. Their requirement can be different. There can be the requirement of more storage, or many things are there related to the memory requirement, related to the OS. So it can be possible that the software which is being designed by the software developer, that needs a different space, the different things, the different requirements are there. So obviously again it is going to cost you more. If you have a different operating system, you need to format your system and get the system again updated, so that is also going to cost you more. So these are the disadvantages of customized software. There are advantages also, but if a particular person has some requirement and they want it to be like that only, so obviously they are going to get it customized. However, if your work is done with the already available software in the market, you can use that. Like suppose there are already clothes available, apparels are there, online and offline shops are there where the things are there when you go and purchase. However, if you have something designed in your mind and you want to wear something according to your need, you obviously visit to the tailor. Even then it is going to cost you more. So it depends upon person to person, according to their requirement. Whatever they like, they can move on and take the decision. I hope you have clear now about the customized and bespoke software. Now I'll tell you about the encryption and decryption software. What is encryption and decryption software? These are actually the kind of software which are helpful for encrypting your data. Now what does the term encryption and decryption means? Encryption refers to the conversion of the electronic data into another form, or you can understand like this, that conversion of the electronic data into an unintelligible format which is not understood by anyone except the authorized parties. So if I am doing the transaction online, if I am doing or sharing some sensitive information online, so obviously there should be some encryption technique so that my data is not easily readable by anyone. Otherwise if it is readable, it means that can be easily hacked and misused by the unauthorized parties. So to convert the sensitive information, to safeguard the sensitive information, we have the encryption and decryption technique. And for that technique, we have the different kind of softwares. Those softwares are categorized under encryption and decryption software. Refers to the conversion of electronic data into a different format which is not understandable or which is not easily understandable by the authorized parties. And again, decryption is the same technique which is just opposite of encryption. Decrypting again the you can say the unintelligible format to a readable text. So that conversion technique is called as encryption and decryption. And the text after encryption, the format of the text which you get, that is called as ciphertext. Ciphertext is actually a term which is used to refer the data which is encrypted using some kind of algorithm techniques, so that it is not readable by any unauthorized person. Understood? So the softwares which are the utility softwares which are useful for, or which provides the facility of encryption and decryption of data, they are LastPass, BitLocker, VeraCrypt, endpoint encryption. Many more are there. You can find out online. There are different kind of softwares which are helpful for encrypting and decrypting the information, user sensitive information. All right. Now students, as we have learned about different kind of application softwares, so now the last application software I want to discuss, you must have heard about the mobile application also. So it is also a type of application software which are specifically designed to run on a mobile devices. Like other application software, this mobile application softwares are also serves a specific purpose, and you can see in the mobile applications are a little bit different from the personal computer or the desktop based application softwares. These are available and easily downloadable from the Play Store, such as Apple Play Store or Google Play Store. For Android phones, we can download it from a Google Play Store, and Apple phones are having their Apple Play Store. The BlackBerry phone are also having their own Play Stores, so you can download these application softwares from there also. So these are also the category of application software. Some of the examples can be the entertainment apps like Netflix, Spotify, or some of the games like Candy Crush or PUBG, and the social networking apps like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. So these are also the category of application software. That's all for today. Go through the video very properly. If you have not understood any of the topic from this chapter, you can text me or mail me, and do practice at home by reading all the different kind of softwares and prepare for your exams well. Best of luck for your upcoming exams. Stay safe and healthy. Thank you.